Hi, did I ever tell you about my sailing holidays in Malta with my brother-in-law and his family and my two boys? Well, whenever we were moored near a beach, there would be jet skis whizzing around, and the splashdown of a jet ski or a powerboat can put a lot of strain on the spine, resulting in compression fractures. Remember the lightning story? Same thing. Now, this paper was published recently in the Scottish Medical Journal. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Using data from Malta. The injuries only occur in the summer, unsurprisingly. Average age, 41 years old. It's normally the first lumbar vertebra. Now, if you have back pain after going on a jet ski, you should have an X-ray. My worst medical problem with sailing was seasickness. Yuck! Our best trip was sailing from Malta to Tunisia. Enjoy your summer holiday and don't break anything. Bye for now.